Hey y'all, I'm back with another amazing zombie bunny unboxing video, and I am so excited because this one is huge. Not only was I able to get my hands on some really fabulous fabrics, but I have a little surprise for you, so make sure you stay tuned towards the end of the video to find out some exciting news. So this time I was able to get some PUL fabric because I really want to try to make some reusable bags, and I've never sewn with it before, and I thought this would be an awesome time to try. I also got some cotton woven, some rib knit, some cotton lycra, which I love to sew anyways. And then I was super spoiled because I got some some sample vinyls, a lot of the clear TPU, which I've never sewn with before, so I'm super excited to give that a try. And then I also got some fabulous Among Us vinyl that my kids are so excited for. I just started my bag making journey, and I am trying to get my hands on all the vinyl I can because I just have been loving working on it, and this stuff is fantastic quality. And then check out these cute zippers I got and this awesome keychain fob, and check out all these stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I am absolutely loving everything I got in this box. It is just so fabulous. Okay. Now that was my special order. Now here is my strike fabrics that I'm sewing up this round. And they're all cotton lycra, which I'm really grateful for because we live in the desert and it's super hot here. So having some nice breathable fabric is what we're looking for right now. But check out this bluey, it's so cute. And then I was also able to get some of this amazing Harry Potter fabric, which I got these little like panty panels or cup panels that I was like, oh man, I really wanted to turn these into applique pieces. So they were perfect for it, the perfect size where I didn't feel like I was wasting fabric, but I was able to make a cute little applique to put on anything I want. So here's the exciting news. Okay. They have sent me a care package to give to one of you, filled with these cute fabrics. They're all kinds of bases, so it's a great way to sample out a bunch of their different bases. And this is all samples from this current round that they're doing, so you get your hands on it before anybody else can. And this bluey and that Burton-inspired villains, and then look at some of the squish bluey. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see who gets this and what you make with it. Again, there's all kinds of different bases. There's cotton lycra, there's some woven in there. Really good chance to try out a bunch of their amazing fabrics and see what you really like and just make some really cool stuff. So here's some examples of the things that I made with the strike fabric that I was given. I was able to get 12 items out of the fabric that she sent me, and my kids are seriously obsessed. Here is some examples of that applique that I did with those panels that turned out perfect. If you're wanting to learn how to turn fabric into appliques, I do have a video for that I'll link a little bit later. But let's get into the giveaway because I am so excited about this. So what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And then I need you to join my Facebook group, the Sewing Hub Facebook group, and the Zombie Bunny Facebook group. And then check out the Zombie Bunny site, and in the comments to this video, let me know what fabric you are absolutely loving this round. It can be the pre-order or from their graveyard, whatever you like. I just want to know what you are digging and what you really are hoping to get your hands on. That's it. Go ahead and do all those things, and then make sure you comment in the comments to this video and subscribe, and you're entered, and I will reach out to the lucky winner to get your shipping info so I can get those fabrics out to you. I am so excited, and I just absolutely loved everything I received in this box, and I hope that you did too. And yeah, just thanks for coming and watching me unbox this fantastic shipment, and I can't wait to see who wins. Thanks for joining. See you later. Bye.